Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this cute hairstyle for toddlers. It is so cute, easy and fast. If you're new here, hi, my name is Joanna. I do a lot of hair videos. I also do vlogs and I recently started to do pregnancy updates. I am 14 weeks pregnant. So I hope you stick around. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and let's get into the video. I'm going to start by spraying water, detangler, and then I'm just going to brush her hair. Then I'm going to part her hair from that side, and I'm basically trying to do a little rectangle. Then I'm going to part her hair again from the back. Then one more time to complete the rectangle. I'm going to put all that hair into a hair tie just to keep it apart. Then the rest of the hair I'm also going to put into a hair tie just to keep it out of my way. I'm going to go back to the rectangle and I'm going to take that hair out of the hair tie. And with my comb, I'm going to grab that piece of hair. Then I'm going to put the rest of the hair into a hair clip just to keep it out of my way. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of this gel to that little section that we just did. And I'm going to brush it until smooth everywhere, and once I have it how I want it, I'm going to tie it with a hair tie. Next, I'm going to take the hair out of the hair clip, and with my comb I'm going to grab another piece of hair, and this one is going to be bigger than the first one, and the rest of the hair I'm going to put it back into the hair clip just to keep it out of my way. And again, I'm going to apply a little bit of this gel to that section of hair. Then with my comb, I'm going to grab the first piece of hair and I'm going to brush it until it's smooth everywhere, and once I have it how I want it, I'm going to tie it with a hair tie. Then again with my comb, I'm going to grab another piece of hair about the same size. Then I'm going to brush that little piece of hair. Then I'm going to add the first piece of hair to that one, and I'm going to tie them together with a hair tie. For the last piece, I'm just going to grab it and I'm going to brush it. Then I'm going to add the other two to that one, and I'm going to tie them together with a hair tie. Now I'm going to go to the other side. And I'm going to apply a little bit of that gel again to that little piece of hair. Then I'm going to brush until it's smooth everywhere, and once I have it how I want it, I'm going to tie it with that hair tie. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of this Hold and Shine Moisture Mist just to make it shiny and beautiful. And this is optional, but I decided to make a braid out of those 3 little pieces of hair. For the bow, I have this one is from Little Poppy & Co, and it is so cute. I love the color. This is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and see you next week for another hair video. Bye guys!